Do you want to impress your family and friends with a simple yet delicious treat? If you answered yes, then you are in luck because today we are going to show you how to make the perfect gingerbread cookie in just 30 minutes. Hi everyone, welcome to Blogging with Food. I am Hannah, your host and guide for today's episode. You don't need any fancy equipment or ingredients to make gingerbread cookies. All you need are a large mixing bowl, a wooden spoon, a rolling pin, a cookie cutter, a baking sheet, a wire rack. And for the ingredients you will need 3/4 cup of unsalted butter, softened, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 2/3 cup of molasses, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 and 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Now that you have everything ready, let's get started. Step 1. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Add the molasses, egg, and vanilla and mix well. Step 2. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, salt, and spices. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix until a smooth dough forms. Pro tip: to make your chocolate cookies softer, add a tablespoon of water to the dough. Step 3. Divide the dough into 2 portions and wrap them in plastic wrap. Refrigerate for at least an hour or overnight. Step 4. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Step 5. On a lightly floured surface, roll out one portion of the dough to about 1/4 inch thick. Cut out shapes with a cookie cutter and place them on the prepared baking sheet. Repeat with the remaining dough. Pro tip: to make your cookies crispier, roll the dough thinner and bake for a longer time. Step 6. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes or until the edges are slightly browned. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Step 7. Enjoy your gingerbread cookie with a glass of milk, some whipped cream, or your favorite frosting. You can also decorate them with icing, sprinkles, or candies if you like. And that's it. You have just made the easiest and tastiest gingerbread cookie ever. Here are some pro tips to make them ever better. To store your cookies, keep them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to a week or in the freezer for up to a month. I hope you enjoyed baking with us as much as we did. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more mouth-watering recipes and visit our website for the full recipe and more tips.